Hello praisers and savers, my name is Sandy and welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be heading into Kroger. These deals are going to last from $6.29 until $7.05. We have a lot of great stock up prices at Kroger this week. Guys, if you are not already subscribed to my channel, please hit that red subscribe button. Also, head on over to Instagram and Facebook. This is where I put a lot of my visual breakdowns for you guys so you can know all the great things that you can get in the store. And also, there is a printable breakdown in the description box. Go ahead and check it out. Let's get started. All right, guys, first deal I'm picking up is this Heinz tomato ketchup. This is a no coupons needed deal. It is part of the mega. When you buy 5, you don't have to buy 5 ketchups, but you can mix and match any of the mega deals. So I'm picking this ketchup up for just $1.99. Guys, you know we go through a lot of ketchup in my house. All right, so we have a stock up price on this Lady's Speed Stick. It's actually on the larger one. These are $2.19 on sale for $1.99, and then it's Kroger Mega for 99 cents. We have the 50-cent coupon, so that will be good to go. Guys, remember with these coupons at Kroger, you can only use 3 of these in one transaction. So if you have more than that, you're going to have to do multiple transactions. But yeah, 99 cents, 50-cent coupon is going to make each of these just 49 cents a piece. Great stock up price. All right, so this is a lot cheaper than we saw at CVS this week. Remember at CVS we got these for I think $1 each. So these are $2.19 on sale for $1.99, and then with the Kroger Mega they're 99 cents. We have a 50-cent coupon that we can use, and that's going to bring it down to 49 cents. Like I said before, I do not use this deodorant, but I can put these in the blessing bags and it will work out just fine. Picking up 2 of these today for 49 cents a piece. Oops. All right, this is a easy peasy IBOTTA deal. If you're not part of IBOTTA, please make sure that you sign up using my referral code in the description box. So these are $3.69 usually, on sale for $2.99. Now with the Kroger Mega, they're $1.99. You only have to buy 1 as long as you buy 5 products on the Mega sale. And there is a $1 IBOTTA rebate, making these just 99 cents each. And this can be done on IBOTTA up to 3 times. So I'm going to pick up 3 cans of this shave gel, and 99 cents each for these is a pretty great deal. So these have gone up 30 cents from the last time I had to buy something. I always bought them for 99 cents when they were on the Mega, and now I'm buying them for $1.29. Insane. All right, we have a total freebie on these Pedigree pouches. These are 99 cents each. Guys, you know, if you see my videos in the past, we do not have a dog, but I like things like this to keep in my car when I do see someone who's in need that also has an animal, to give them some dog food, some free dog food. So these are 99 cents each. We're going to buy 3 of these. We're then going to submit to Coupons app. The Coupons app is going to give you $1.50 back when you buy 3, and then also we'll submit to IBOTTA. When you buy 3, they'll give you $1.50 back as well. So that's $3 back, making these completely free. Great and easy deal. No paper coupons needed. We have an easy Philadelphia cream cheese. It's going to be on the 8-ounce blocks. I'm going to actually get the original one. They're $1.99 on sale, and then there's a 75 cents IBOTTA. So making these just $1.24, and you can do this deal up to 5 times. So I think it's a really great deal for cream cheese, especially back at Christmas time whenever they were telling us that we couldn't buy cream cheese because there was a shortage. So I'm going to stock up today and get me 5 bars of this cream cheese at just $1.25 each. Great deal. I just want to give a shout out to Ohio Valley Couponer for his deal on these. I didn't realize this, but Shopkick has, between scans and kicks, $2.90. So for these being on sale at $2.99, it's going to make these just 9 cents each. There's also a deal as well for the plant-based chicken ones if you have that diet, and this will make these 9 cents as well. But I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to pick up these, and $2.99 on Shopkick. They're $2.90 rebate, making these just 9 cents each. Great deal. Just a reminder, there is a printable breakdown in the description box. Please either print that off, or you can just pull it up on your phone in the store so you don't have to write all these deals down. Now the next one is another Shopkick deal. This is on the Frutella soft gummies. This is on the candy aisle if you can't find it. These are $2.50 each. We have a Shopkick rebate. That's 525 scans and kicks. That's equivalent to $2.10. All right, so we're going to submit that to get back our $2.10, making these just 40 cents each for the Frutella soft gummies. So 40 cents on these, no coupons needed. All right, so we have another no coupons needed deal. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to do all my Shopkicks and my Swagbucks on separate transactions. I usually try to keep my receipts small when I'm dealing with Shopkicks and Swagbucks. So what we're going to do is these Butterfinger minis, they're on sale for $3.49 each. We're going to get 2 bags. That's about $7. And then we're going to submit to Swagbucks for 600 Swagbucks or $6 if you have Tada or My Points, whichever one you use. It's going to make this $1 for 2 bags or about 49 cents each. So pretty great deal on the share size bag of Butterfinger minis. We have a stock up price on the Garnier Fructis. These are $2.59 each. Sorry, $2.29 each. $2.29 each. And you have to pick up 2 of them because you're going to be using this $3 coupon. And this coupon expires, I believe, not this Sunday, but next Sunday. So you still have some time to use it. And so $2.29 a piece. You're going to pick up 2 of them. And then what you're going to do is use that $3 coupon. It's going to make them $1.58, I believe. And that's going to be about 79 cents each. So 79 cents on those. You can also, if you want, pick up one of the Slick and Shines. This is what I pick up a lot. It's $2.29 as well. And then they've got some of the styling products. That's $2.59 when you pick up 2 of those. Your total will be about $1 each whenever you pick up the styling products. But I'm going to pick up a bunch of these here and put them in some blessing bags. All right, we have a very easy Arm & Hammer deal. It can be a digital deal. So these are $5.49 each, but they're buy one, get one free. So this is going to make them $2.75 a piece. You're going to pick up 2 of these. There is a $2 digital coupon. I think it's only like the 55 ounces or above, and this one is actually 67 ounces. So we're good on that. And then there is another digital coupon for $1 off any Arm & Hammer. So because we're getting 2 bottles, $2 is going to come off on that one, and $1 is going to come off on that one, making these just $2.50 or $1.25 a piece. Great deal on these.